Sonic! Hey! Here's my boy. What are you doing? Are we vlogging?
I was gonna go for a nap.
Oh, he's napping. Here, let's talk about your shaved head that you're matching daddy.
He's not gonna want to leave me.
What about Dada?
Basically, we had to shave his head.
I didn't shave it, Mommy did.
Show maybe like where it is.
Okay, let's shut off these toys. So, yeah, so we had to shave poor guy's head because he was pulling it. But yeah, you can see right here, he was literally pulling his hair.
Ever since he was like a newborn, he used to find comfort in like twirling his hair and like touching his hair.
Look at him.
Like he does the same thing to my hair when he's tired or like just for comfort. Like he's doing it right now. He just loves touching hair, I guess. So he started doing it, and I think he just like did it so much he started pulling like little pieces of hair, but we didn't really notice.
Well, then he got stronger. As you get older,
Yeah.
he gets stronger, and then boom, he took out
One day,
couple...
literally, he woke up and he looked like
it was
he had
bad.
a bald spot.
It looked like he was shaved
Huh.
like a prank. Say
So-
hi, Sonic.
That exact day, I
Hey.
grabbed the clippers and I shaved him.
But so far so good. I mean, it's growing back, right?
Yeah, I shaved him again now. But like, yeah, that area, yeah, there's hair. It's growing back. It just he needs to get rid of that, what he wants it on.
That habit.
Yeah, that habit, because then he's gonna keep pulling it over and over.
Yeah, but now he matches daddy, so I like
Yeah.
it too.
They're like
Matching daddy?
twins.
Matching daddy?
That's him.
Oh. This is his favorite toy. Roby!
You're getting frustrated? Here, let me turn it on for you, yeah?
That's Roby,
Here.
his favorite toy.
I'll turn it
Show
on.
Roby.
What happened to your elbow?
Bug bite?
No, it's like a scratch.
Is that your favorite toy, Roby? It makes some interesting noises though. Come on, dance. Woohoo! Whoa! Look at Roby.
Now freeze.
Freeze!
Here we go.
Boo boo. Boo boo boo.
He knows a couple new things. Let me see. He's tired, so I don't know if he's gonna do them, but
Yeah, take out the binky so you can say something.
Sonic, rub your belly. Where's your belly? Rub your belly. Pat your head. Can you pat your head? Pat your head. Pat your head.
Where's your head? Where's your head?
Where's your head? Pat your head. Hey, can you say ball?
Ball.
Ball.
Look at Mama's boy.
Sonic, can you say bluey? Say buoy.
Bluey.
Say
Bluey. Bluey.
Say bluey. No.
No. That's his favorite word. No.
Can you say bye?
Uh-oh. Man, he's running away.
Can you give them a besito? Mwah.
Mwah. Uh-oh, he's going to Bella's room. Bella. He's gone.
Gone like the wind. Come on. Go.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Watch.
Go, go, go.
He likes when I chase him too. When I say his name, he runs. Ready?
He's tired.
He's like, Sonic Golden. Get your butt over here.
Hey, Sonic. Can you say bluey?
Say Bluey. Bluey.
Bluey's right here. This is Bluey.
That's his favorite toy too. Even though he has a real dog, he likes Bluey.
Careful.
Get your butt over here.
You want to go take a nap? This is the forbidden room.
You want to go night-night?
Let's
Come
go
on, Sonic.
night-night.
Over here. Look at the ball. Boom. Oh, I think the vlog is cut short.
He needs to go for a nap.
He's ready for nap time. Whoa.
I'm gonna throw it to that. Whoa!
Oi. He's going nap time.
Come on. You wanna go for a nap?
Here, you hold it. Here, you hold the camera. Let's see what you do. The camera. Don't you drop that thing? It's expensive. Yeah, you vlogging?
Vlogging?
Oh. What are you doing? That's your finger on the screen. Oh. You got it? Should I throw it down the stairs?
Yeah, be careful.
Oh yeah, you're vlogging? Oh. It's the camera.
It's me, Mishka. Sorry.
Hello. Hey, are you vlogging? What are you saying to them?
Can you say
bye?
Can you say bye?
Good night.
Say bye. I'm gonna take a nap.
You want Daddy to hold it?
Bluey?
Sí.
Sonic, can you say Bluey?
Blvd.
Hoy su libro dijo Garden y él dijo Garden. Igualito.
You say
Can you say-
GoPro?
Mira, dile Garden.
Garden. Can you say garden?
Look at him. He's vlogging. He's a natural. You gotta hold the camera straight though, son. You have to hold it straight. That's sideways. Vertical is for Instagram. Shoot a reel.
Can you say Sonic?
Sonic. Sorry guys, I guess he took over the vlog. Can I have that back? You will have it back. Say bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Say bye. Mwah.
Bye.
Besito.
Good night.
It's gonna be nap time.
Alright, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the Golden Family and Sonic. It's bedtime. We're going night night.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Mwah. Mwah.